Assalamualaikum everyone. This is me, Imandi Zaningwali, and I am 11th student of Rehan School Online Academy. And so today I'm here with another an amazing topic to share my review. And today our speaker name is Dulet Education Wala, and the topic is Rehan Teacher Training Program FAQs about how many levels in Rehan Teacher Training Boot Camp, and after that why it's important to upload all the tasks on all social media platform, and after that why it's important to be active in social media, how many accounts you have when you want to enroll in High School on Academy. So first of all, 5 accounts like Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, LinkedIn. It's very important. And if you have your previous account, so you can work easily on your previous account. That's not important to create a new account, because when you create new accounts, so you have a burden, because you can handle two accounts like your previous and your new account. But if you want to work on your previous account, so you can easily work on it, and you can upload your all tasks, and you are active all the times, and you can watch all the activities on social media very easily, because you use very easily, and because it's your habit. Because like somebody when someone use like all the platforms and active on social media, so that's very easy and impossible for everybody to active on social media. And after that, why it's important to upload all the tasks on social media. It's very important, because when you do something new, and when you want to learn new things, and after that that's very important to upload, and everybody watch you what is the thing you are doing on social media. Because everybody want to do something new, and when you share your story and your talent to people, so they realize that's the truth. Maybe some people say it's fake. Yeah, that's depend on you how you want to show your all the things, your activities on social media. And say asking about if you use social media all the time, so you also watch these things that you like, so that's depend on you. You spend a lot of time with good friends, so you maybe consider as a good friend. And if you spend a lot of time with bad friends, maybe you consider as a bad friend. So that depend on you. When you use social media platform, that is very important. You do all the activities and on your previous account. And of that, how many levels in Nihan School Teacher Training Bootcamp? 6 levels in Nihan Teacher Training Bootcamp. First level, you also completed 2 months, and you in 2 months you can do your you can build your communication skill. You can improve your learning, English speaking language, and after that computer. You can use easily AI tools to do work from AI tools. That's very important, and you can learn all the things very easily. And after that, if you want to enroll in Rehan School Teacher Training Bootcamp and to be a part of Rehan School, so that's very important. You also complete your 6 levels, and in when you complete your first level, so that's depend on you. When you are in first level, so your work, your consistency, and your fastness is very important. And maybe some people do all the tasks very easily, but when some people show laziness, so they are again in level 1. So that's depend on you. And after that, sir is telling about if you want to be a part of enhanced school, so you also complete your second level. In second level, uh, the things, and your facilitator learn to you how you use all the things, and how you can use your AI tools, and how is important, so you can learn. So now it's your turn to do a classes, and to take a classes of as the responsibility of your facilitator. And you can take the responsibility as assistant facilitator, and you can start learning, and you can uh, give a classes to other person, and how they can create accounts, how they use AI tools, and how they improve their skills like communication skill like this. So maybe after that, after your second level, in third level, you can do 50 interviews foreigners, and after that some uh, AI tool you can use. That's very important. Then you are good when you prove yourself very amazingly, so maybe you are a part of Rehan School Online Academy. And after that, about success story of Rehan School, and about earning in Rehan Teacher Training in Rehan School. like about student a student have also have done earning in Rehan School Online Academy. And after that, about if you want to watch and learn, and if you want to watch the success story of and ending story of Rehan's student, you can watch in Rehan School Online Academy page. And after that, if you want to watch the success story of success story of Rehan School Teacher Training Bootcamp, so you can watch on Rehan School Teacher Training Rehan AI Teacher Institute page. And after that, about if it's very important. And so telling about if you want to show anything, because I is also art tailor. And he said I also spent 7 years to work on it. And after that, I have 7 years old my profile. Now I'm doing all my tasks, what activities I can do. I also put it on social media, so everybody watch me, everybody have trust on me, because they know I can't do any fake thing and I'm doing a good thing, so they support me very easily. And that's very important. You can upload all the tasks, all the things on your social media, so everybody take advantage from you and they inspire from you. And after that, why it's important to make friends and to build community in social media. It's very important when you build some things very new. If you want to make a friends, maybe your friend is very good, they can help you very easily if you need a help. And you can connect with Sarihan Allah Wala mutual friend. And when 1% global people, they do their work, their good job, they are entrepreneur, and they can support you very easily like this in your learning, not in financial, not in learning. So after that, about how many if student and if children want to enroll in Rehan School, about in Rehan School now we have start foundation level batch. If student want to enroll in Rehan School, so they can enroll in foundation level batch. And after that, in after 3 months, they can enroll in level 1. So this is the curriculum of Rehan School Online Academy. And after that, why it's important to use Canva uh, rather than not use any other like tool, because Canva is very easy tool and it's very amazing. And you can create your some thumbnail, make post. And after that, make some good activity, like if you want to make some products, so you can make very easily like this type of poster you can make. And many people can't have any idea how to use Canva, because in our school we have now in our school we have a lot of professors, some professional people, they can't know how to use Canva. And they when they use Canva, they realize it's very easy tool. After that, after Canva, after using Canva, they can use any other tool. They are very, maybe they are difficult, so you can use it easily. And after that, why it's important for teacher training program is important for like educational people, or for everybody use can easily. Yeah, everybody can use easily, because it's not for education person, it's for everyone. Maybe for a salon person, maybe for artists, maybe for designer, maybe for tailors. Like that depend on you how you can boss. If you are a tailor, if you have salon, that depend on you. You can show a professional way. You can make videos, and you can post on your all social media platforms so people watch, and maybe they can take advantage from you, they inspire from you. And after that, started telling about I also make the Raz app. And I also uploaded my all work, like about my tailor skills. And some my products I uploaded on social media. And I also make a Raz app like this. You can create a business very amazingly. And after that, why it's important to you have a you learn coding, because when you learn coding, you can give prompt to easily ChatGPT, and you can make documents, you can make some apps, you can make some games like this. So it is the curriculum of Rehan School Online Academy, Rehan Teacher Training Bootcamp. I hope I can explain very easily. So thank you so much everyone for watching, and so meet tomorrow with another an amazing topic and amazing review. So take care everyone, and Allah Hafiz.